Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing safety and confirming you have the right materials. Put on chemical-resistant gloves, splash goggles, and a respirator. Work outside or in a ventilated hood. Once done, set up neutralizer, a baking soda solution, and plenty of water. Prepare a 1/2. You begin the chemical attack by choosing a controlled bath, 10–15% sodium hydroxide for alkaline stripping or a phosphoric acid mix if specified. Heat and keep the solution around 20–30 degrees C and gently agitate to prevent hot spots. That increases reaction uniformity. Once you see the bright aluminum begin to show and the anodic film dulls or peels, remove the part. Make sure to rinse thoroughly in running water. Then transfer to a baking soda, neutralizing bath to stop the reaction. You finish by neutralizing in a baking soda solution and rinsing until pH is neutral. Then dry and inspect under good light. If thin residue remains, lightly scuff with 400–600 grit or apply a gentle acid etch for a short time, then re-rinse. Once clean, polish or prepare for new anodize as needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.